my horse is amazing. Give it a lick.
It tastes just like raisins.
Have a stroke of its mane, it turns into a plane, and then it turns back again when you tug on its wing kick.
That's dirty.
Do you think so? Well, I better not show you where the lemonade is made. Sweet lemonade, sweet lemonade. Shut up, woman, get off my horse. Sweet lemonade. Look at my horse is amazing.
Where is he now?
He's over there grazing, have a feel of his hoof. You'll find they're all bulletproof, and if that's not enough, then take a look at his
Why is it purple?
custom stylings up. Looks fresh with a two-tone paint job, don't you know? Now try this lemonade, sweet lemonade. Shut up, woman, get off my horse.